Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, with over $1 billion estimated for payout from the government for illegal traffic tickets issued from 2006 to 2021, many Jamaicans are eager to get their share.
Now this after a landmark judgment on January 26, where judges stressed that the state should not be permitted to retain the proceeds of money it received without lawful authority.
However, the attorneys, they are informing the public that there's no need for filing individual cases. Romarda Lyons has details.
No red light stopping them. Several people have been reaching out with claims of traffic ticket overcharge after the Constitutional Court ruled that drivers who paid illegally imposed traffic fines over a 15-year period ending in 2021 are entitled to a refund. One of the attorneys on the landmark case estimated a payout of over $1 billion. Today, he's advising drivers and owners of motor vehicles that they don't need to file individual cases.
We've already had a number of people reach out to us because we are the attorneys for the class action, or rather I should say we are the attorneys for the class of persons in respect of whom the order has been made. So they don't have to file their own actions to get a refund. They would have to file their own actions if they wanted to pursue a claim for constitutional relief.
In an action like this, the law firm Myers, Fletcher and Gordon represents all drivers and motor vehicle owners who've received illegal tickets. The firm has since issued a release indicating how people would go about getting their refund. It says those interested may need to complete or submit documentation to receive the money. It adds, if you are entitled to a refund but do not wish to receive it, you do not need to do anything.
We're going back to court in April, and I'm optimistic that by that time we will have already agreed on a mechanism which the court can then bless for the payments to start being made, hopefully very soon.
Mr. Goff said after such, a notice will be issued with directives on the process to claim the refund. Romarda Lyons, TVJ News.